In this video, I will show you how you can fix the auto call ended problem on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just open the quick settings, and from here just tap on the airplane mode icon and turn it on. After you do that, then just wait for a couple of seconds, then tap on this icon one more time and turn it off. Now after you do that, you will do a quick network refresh on your Samsung phone. Now after you've done that, then just tap on the power icon and select restart. Once your phone finishes restarting, then just go to your home screen and check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just open the phone app, then tap on the three dots over here. Now from this menu, just select settings. Now on this page, just scroll down and select supplementary services. On this page, just tap on call bearing and select allow. Now if call bearing is enabled for incoming calls on your Samsung phone, then just disable the option for call bearing for incoming calls. As you can see, both of them are disabled, but if either of them is enabled over here, just disable it. Now if you have two SIM cards, the call bearing setting will be separate for your SIM 1 and SIM 2. Just follow the same step for your SIM card 1 and your SIM card 2. After that, just go to your home screen and open settings, and under settings, just tap on connections. From here, just tap on mobile networks, and on this page, just scroll down and tap on network mode. Now if you're in an area where the 5G signal is weak, just select LTE instead of 5G. Now if you're using two SIM cards, just select LTE separately for both of your SIM cards. After that, just go back to the main settings page, and from here just scroll down to the bottom of the page and select apps. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now since we are using two SIM cards, we have two options for SIM toolkit. Now just tap on the first SIM toolkit. Now on this page, just scroll down and tap on storage. From here, just tap on clear cache, then select clear data and tap on delete. Now just go back and do the same thing for your other SIM toolkit. Just like that. After you've done that, now just go back to the main settings page and tap on general management. From here, just scroll down and tap on reset. Now on this page, just scroll down a bit and tap on reset mobile network settings. Now if you're using two SIM cards in your Samsung phone, just reset the mobile network settings separately for each SIM card. As you can see, we have selected SIM 2. Now just tap on reset settings, then enter your lock screen PIN. Select continue, then tap on reset. And by doing that, you'll reset the mobile network settings for your selected SIM card. Now just go back and tap on the drop down arrow, then select the other SIM card, then follow the exact same steps to reset the network settings for your other SIM card. Now after you reset the mobile network settings for each SIM card, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. Now if your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just grab the SIM card ejection tool which comes with your phone in the box, or you can use any other SIM card ejection tool. Now just insert the SIM card ejection tool in the SIM card tray hole at the bottom of your phone. Now just gently press the SIM card ejection tool, then extract the SIM card tray from your phone. Now just use a soft cloth and clean the SIM card of your phone, and also try to use a different SIM card on your phone because the issue can be in your SIM card. Now after you've done that, now just insert the SIM card tray back in your phone. And by doing that, you will fix the auto call ended problem on your Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.